The volume of a tetrachloride having a mass of 1,200 kg is 0.952 cubic meter. Compute the following: mass density, specific weight, specific gravity. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel. Ang problem natin for today ay mula sa Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. Isa itong passboard problems na lumabas noong November 2003. Okay, let's start. Identify muna natin yung mga given dito. 1,200 kg. Ito ang mass ng tetrachloride. 0.952 cubic meter. Ito naman yung volume ng tetrachloride. And then yung mga hinahanap, mass density, unit weight, and specific gravity. Okay, proceed na tayo sa ating part 1. Part 1 natin ay density. Ang formula na gagamitin natin dito ay formula niya is mass over volume. So, binigay naman yung dalawa, so walang problema. Mass density natin ay 1,260.5 kg per cubic meter. Ito ang ating final answer. Part 2. Unit weight. Unit weight is also known as specific weight. Okay, ang formula na gagamitin natin dito ay yung formula ng weight. Formula ng weight is unit weight times volume. Ang problema is wala pa tayong weight. Pero okay lang yan kasi binigay naman yung mass. That means pwede pa natin magamit yung isa pang formula niya, which is yung mass times acceleration due to gravity na 9.81 meter per second square. Weight natin is 11,772 kg meter per second square. Convert natin ito into Newton. Conversion natin dito ay 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter per second square. And then convert pa natin ulit itong Newton into kilo Newton. Conversion natin is 1 kilonewton is equal to 1,000 Newton. Okay. Ang weight natin is 11.77 kilonewton. Pwede na natin ma-solve ang unit weight. Unit weight natin ay 12.36 kN per cubic meter. Ito na ang ating final answer. Second solution. Okay? Sa second solution natin, pwede natin gamitin itong density. Ito yung nakuha natin kanina sa part 1. Gagamitin natin ito para makuha yung unit weight. I-convert lang natin ito into unit weight. Conversion natin dito is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter is equal to 1,000 kg per cubic meter. Ito ang unit weight ng tubig, and then ito naman yung mass density ng tubig. Unit weight natin ay 12.36 kilonewton per cubic meter. So kung mapapansin natin is madali lang at saka mabilis kumpara doon sa naunang solusyon. So ito na ang ating final answer. Okay, proceed tayo sa part 3. Part 3 natin ay specific gravity. Formula na gagamitin natin dito ay yung formula ng unit weight. Unit weight ng water natin dito is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, so substitution. Specific gravity natin ay 1.26. Ito na ang ating final answer.